couple of Pannier racks from Royal King on eBay. My first addition to my Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. They are CNC cutout mild steel, but when bolted on, really cool. The only thing, you've got to figure out how to get the bolts undone from the rack at the back. They're bolted on, so you need to take off the rear mudguard, which is actually quite simple once you know how. So by undoing those two bolts, the tail section here just slides out. So it's these two bolts, and then there's a couple of just under here, which I'll show you later. So that's pretty easy. And then from here, we've got to undo those two bolts there and these ones up in here. So as you can see here, I've taken off the it's that one in there. So you can see I've taken off the seat, and then we will install this. Got both on, looks pretty cool. I've got a couple of givey bags, put them on, and this is what it looks like. It's a side view, and this is the rack that you know, you can use to put on some spare fuel if you want. It's my first addition to my Royal Enfield 450.